Ever want to really clean your retainers? I mean, really clean your retainers. Maybe your floss heads as well, your shaver heads, tongue scrapers, or toothbrush heads. Do I have the solution for you? Here it is in the flesh. You have your power button, you have the timer button, you have the power port on the back, and then you have a clear lid so you can lift it up and see inside. You also get this tray, and you can put a watch on it, or you could put other things on it, whatever you like, but this is what it looks like, and it takes up pretty much the whole space. So you can put a little bit on the sides, but not too much other than that. Here are these plastic tweezers, so you can easily move stuff around, pick stuff out of the water. You have your basic DC power cable, and then of course a microfiber cloth to dry things or just clean things off. This is my water pick floss. It's kind of hard to clean the top of it, so since I put this in my mouth twice a day, every day, this is one of the things that I'll definitely want to clean. Retainers are another good option, as well as the head of your shaver. Of course, you can fit sunglasses and jewelry in here, but I'm gonna start out with just this. And there it is, guys. Once we close the lid, we can go ahead and start the operation. So I press the power on and you can hear it going to work. You can adjust the timer to make it longer and it'll do a countdown for you. So if you want to pick up one for yourself, I'll have it in the description below the like button. Let me know what way currently you clean your retainers, toothbrush, whatever have you. I like this because it cleans it without really any input from you, just filling it up and dropping it in. And it's both wide enough to fit a lot in it, but small enough to where you can still fit it on your bathroom counter and have room.